Okay, we're back. In today's video, we're going to actually put code in the edit function. So the first thing I want you to do is I want you to write down the variable company because we're going to use the params or the params of the ID to find the org company that we're talking about. So I wanted you to type out org company dot find params ID. So what this will do is it will find the company we're dealing with. And after that, we want to pre-populate the input fields that will show up in our edit form. So we're just going to do contact info to grab the info of the company, or contact, find, or create by. That's because if the company doesn't really have any information, though it should, then we're just going to create the contact information for them. So we're just going to do params ID and attributes. So that's that. The next thing we're going to do is company.org contacts.build, and this will build the form that we would use, or the user would use to edit the company information of the company. So build the contact input fields associated with the company. So that's all the code that we need to write in that function. The next thing we need to write is the view, because what good is a function if we don't have a view to map it to? So the first thing you gotta do, of course, is we're gonna have a sidebar for this view, so we're just gonna reuse some code that we've seen before. And let's just save this. So we call it edit.html.erb, and we're gonna have a div class for this. This is much the same as your new. No, it's not the same as new actually. It would be the same as what we did for org people edit. So you could literally just take what we have here and copy it over. So you could just take something like this and just copy that over. So what you have here is you're gonna have the div class, the overriding family div class. I don't even know what to call that, but we just call it the overriding family div class. And we're gonna have the provide function to provide for the title. We're gonna have a center to give it a header, and we're gonna have the shared error messages come out, and then we're gonna have the custom code inside this div under these two div tags. So what I want you to do is write this code if the company avatar, because we want to be able to upload images for the company to show their logo or their brand. So if the company avatar is blank, and don't forget the end function or the end tag, then we're gonna show them an image tag that will allow them to upload, or that will show them their image. So if the company avatar is not blank, we'll have an image tag to show them their image by grabbing the avatar URL of the medium image, which I've defined in one of my previous videos. Because when we upload images, we end up with actually several versions of the images: a normal one, a small one, a thumbnail one, and a medium one. Not in any specific order, but that's how we coded our app so far. And we're gonna have another div class for an upload button. So we're just gonna name this company photo preview. The I class is going to be FA upload, company photo upload. So the FA upload, that's pretty much the icons that are going to show up for the upload image. So that's something that I've talked about in one of my last videos as well, but just as a reminder, I just want to re-mention it again. So click the upload. And we're going to end that tag. And we're going to have a field for this thing to upload. So we're just going to do the f.file field, and it's going to be an avatar because if we're saving the context field, then avatar is our column. And then the images that we're going to accept are ping, GIFs, JPEGs, and JPGs. And the ID is going to be upload company avatar. And close that off. And then we're going to have a delete, a little delete link so that they could just delete the photo if they didn't really like it. And after that, we're going to do a render to actually bring out our company field. So this is in the first case of when we're actually reusing one of our layouts in two different places, because our company fields, if we do a find for them, so if I copy this company fields and find it, then it shows up in two places. It shows up in the new and in the edit. So we're actually reusing them in different views, and that's the power of layouts. So now you know how cool they are. So now next thing we need to do is we need to give them a text area, just in case they have description, and a submit button. And a submit button. And that's pretty much it, but I want to indent this because we need to close it off with an end. So if we run this again, I think it'll work. I really highly doubt it though, but you will need to go to your database first and wipe out the data in the org companies, because, or you could just go to org register and make another company, and I will do that in the next video. Please rate, comment, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next video to continue this series on the edit function. Thanks for watching.